Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check laptop processor details. To begin, in the search box, you are going to enter that information 32, Open System Information. After that, in the processor line, you find all the details of your processor. You can confirm this by right-clicking on Start and opening the Task Manager. Here in the Performance section, click on CPU. You find all the specifications of the processor. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.